So, what have the girls done to the swing set? My goodness, look at this mess. Oh my gosh. What the heck? So this thing came with plastic seats, and I changed it to 2x4s and steel bolts to hold it in, and they still broke it. Look at that. Golly. I gotta set this camera down before I hurt myself. Hold on a second. Let me get up here where the action's at. So anyway, I was thinking on what to do, on how to fix this. Thank goodness they're not boys. The girls did this. What do you think boys would do? Whew. Golly. All right. So the rest of the swing set looks okay. That's a mess. Wouldn't you say that's a mess? Huh. Get a look at that. Get a look at that. That's what's left of it after the girls get done with it. Yeah, the girls. Yeah. Destroy. Seek and destroy. So now my wife came up with an idea. Why not just order some commercial swings for it? That's an idea. So in here we've got new ones. So I'm going to take all this and put it on there, so hang out with me and let's do it. I might yak a little bit, but anyway, I'm going to put these nice new blue rubber ones on there, see how they last. These are commercial ones that they would put at a playground or something. So let's see what's in this box. So now we're going to empty this box and see what's in it. So look down here. Okay, it comes with a little instruction manual. Look at that. That's pretty fancy. Pretty fancy. I don't think it's going to be that hard to put together. You just hang it up there. Got these clips. Just do that and then you hook it up there. But I got to take the other ones. I got to take the to get my camera to work. I got to take the other ones off the swing and then put these on. Should be pretty easy. These, or if you're going to use it on a tree limb or something, you just wrap it around the tree limb, hook it back to itself, and hook it up. Pretty neat, huh? Now I gotta go take this crap off the other off the swing set. So now I'm just going to open these up a little bit. And take those chains right out of there, just like that. These are going in the trash, the whole thing. I ain't messing with them no more. There's the other one. There's another one. There's the last one. Good riddance to that. Out with the old and in with the new. Let's see how this is going to look. They don't need them that low. I guess we'll use these. They don't take them off or destroy them. Take this one off. Just gonna open up this lanyard. Take that off like that. Do about the same. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be about the same. I think so. Ah, there you go. Got a little extra chain here. Let's put the other one over here. All right, that little job's done. So I'm debating on whether to cut those chains off or zip tie them to themselves or something. That's an idea that just came to my brain, this old wore out brain. I'm gonna take some zip ties and zip tie the hanging down chain part, because they'll figure out some way to hang something on it. So let me see if I can just zip tie them together. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful to you. I'll put links down below in the description for where I got the swings at. It's the aftermarket swings for the swing set, or you can use them in a tree. Come with some great material, great straps to hook it up to a tree too. So you guys have a good day. Watch out for my next video. I'll have one soon. This is Harold signing off, baby. You guys have a fantastic day.